Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to turn on discovery on Tinder. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Tinder, open the app, and after that you have to go and click on profile, and after that go and click on the settings icon on the top right of the screen and scroll down until you will find an option called enable discovery. So when you turn, it's like already turned on, but if you turn it off, your profile will be hidden from the card stack and discovery will be disabled, and people you have already liked may still see and match with you. So like that, it will, or you will go incognito, and so let's say disable discovery, and to enable it you have just to click on it like that, and like that discovery is turned on. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.